Alright, so if you want to quickly find ebooks on Scribd, yeah, it can feel a little confusing at first. But once you know where to search, it gets really easy. Let's go step by step. First, open Scribd on your phone or browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Now look at the top search bar and type the name of the ebook, author, or topic you want. After searching, use filters to narrow results. Choose ebooks, documents, or categories like education or fiction. Now scroll through the results and tap on any ebook that looks relevant. Some books let you preview a few pages before reading fully, so use that to check if it's what you want. If you like a book, tap Save to add it to your library for quick access later. You can also explore Scribd's recommendations based on your reading history for more ebooks. Keep in mind, full ebook access may require a subscription, but previews and samples are often available. And yeah, that's how you find ebooks on Scribd. Once you get used to the search tools, it becomes super fast and simple.